2, y'all. Take 2 dog butt.
She missed the deer.
So we're over there somewhere. Yeah, they went after a deer. They'll never catch a deer, don't worry. Look at the beautiful clouds. Isn't that pretty? I mean, that's... Woo! Through the phone, it looks so blue. It's chilly out, and we're taking an evening stroll with the boys. And did I say on the first one? He's going to the vet on Monday. Blue is. Apollo's getting better.
Blue's doing some business.
Apollo!
Blue's getting done.
I just read in a book today, September, the nights start coming earlier. And that's very true. I just noticed it this week. I was looking out the bedroom windows, and usually in summertime it's light till, shoot, 9:30 sometimes. And not anymore. We're already moving on into fall and seeing some red leaves right now on the ground. But we're supposed to have warm weather coming, and that's a good thing, because we're not ready for winter just yet. We got stuff we have to attend to, and we got to take care of him first, and then we got to prepare for winter. They are playing, y'all. They are finally buddies. It has taken almost a year. Come on, boys. Yeah, chop my arm off.
Blue on this side.
Ah. All right, it's about the end of the road. Blue's getting tired. Stop the car. Say good evening.
Bye, everybody.
We'll talk to y'all later. We're gonna have a quiet evening. I'm gonna read my book some more. I'm in Scotland, y'all, in my book, and they're having a dinner party, and it's just about to be the end of the story.
Come on.
It's a beautiful evening.
Get Apollo jumping up in here. Come on, Apollo.
Apollo, come on.
Come on. Come on.
You want him to do it so he ain't gonna show up?
Come on.
Maybe he will.
Get in here. He can leave. This man can.
That's the man. Look, there you see the bald spot. See that? Yeah. And there you see him leaping up. Yeah. Oh, you can't see the spot on him. It's over there. Can you see that? Yeah, right next to his wiener. There you go. That's the spot we're taking him to the vet for. He's making a face of, why are you showing him his wiener? Okay. Y'all have a good night. We're going to come out at the clubhouse and carry on to home, I guess, right?
Cold.
It's not cold. It is windy, though. It's been windy.